Which famous classical composer lost his hearing but continued to create masterpieces? Mozart, Bach, Beethoven, Chopin. The correct answer is Beethoven. According to legend, silver bullets are considered the only way to kill what supernatural creature? Vampire, zombie, wendigo, werewolf. The correct answer is werewolf. In the abbreviation R&D, what does the letter R stand for? Revenue, research, resource, risk. The correct answer is research. What is another name for Lilium longiflorum? Tiger lily, Easter lily, calla lily, stargazer lily. The correct answer is Easter lily. If you're typing on a standard QWERTY computer keyboard, what is the very last letter located on the top right side? O, P, L, M. The correct answer is P. Which medical procedure uses a flexible camera to examine the large intestine, often recommended once you reach age 50? Endoscopy, colonoscopy, ultrasound, MRI scan. The correct answer is colonoscopy. What is the capital city of Nepal, a country in Asia lying along the southern slopes of the Himalayan mountain ranges? Mumbai, Belmopan, Kathmandu, Manama. The correct answer is Kathmandu. Which acid builds up in your muscles during intense exercise? Citric acid, lactic acid, acetic acid, amino acid. The correct answer is lactic acid. What is the title of the person who carries a casket during a funeral ceremony? Undertaker, eulogist, pallbearer, gravekeeper. The correct answer is pallbearer. Which tiny, buzzing insect is infamous around the world for spreading diseases like malaria and the Zika virus? Tsetse fly, tick, flea, mosquito. The correct answer is mosquito. What type of tissue is the most common in the human body? Epithelial tissue, connective tissue, nervous tissue, muscle tissue. The correct answer is connective tissue. Which brain structure controls balance and coordination? Cerebrum, medulla, cerebellum, hypothalamus. The correct answer is cerebellum. Whose historic home was named Mount Vernon? Thomas Jefferson, George Washington, Abraham Lincoln, Benjamin Franklin. The correct answer is George Washington. The biceps femoris is part of which muscle group? Quadriceps, hamstrings, calf muscles, forearm flexors. The correct answer is hamstrings.